Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how can I send personalized emails to the clients, dozens of emails through GMass. So this video is going to about how we can use GMass. So watch till the end. Now we will go to GMass extension here, GMass, and we will click add to Gmail. I have already added, so you need to add here. So then we will go to Gmail. I have this spreadsheet where I have first name, company, and email. So GMass will bring first name, company name, and email, and will send personalized emails at once. So what we do is skip the store, and here you will click on this button, and here you would select the template, which I have lead outreach template here, lead outreach template. Then we will click connect to spreadsheet, and here it is showing you subject. Now we need to draft an email from ChatGPT. So we click on new tag and search ChatGPT. Here I have this, and I have write 3 short outreach emails for real estate agents. Use first name and company. This will help GMass to understand first name and company name from the spreadsheet. So we'll click here, and ChatGPT has given us the 3 email. So I think I like this, and we'll copy paste this, and we'll go here to subject. One idea for you, and also we copy this here, and in the box we will copy this email, paste it here. Then we will click on Gmail, loading here. So now Gmail has finally sent emails to the emails which are in spreadsheet. Hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, then subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much.